So, if you've got a 20-year-old burner or a 25-year-old burner, like you really should shop around and see what's out there. Let's talk about burners. So, there's a lot of boilers out there that are pretty old. We don't have to continue to run the original burner on a 40-year-old boiler. If we have a boiler that's 40 years old and is in good shape, great. You're getting your money's worth. Like, you must be taking really good care of your water and taking really, really good care of your boiler. But that doesn't mean that we can't upgrade the controls and make the system more efficient, that we can't upgrade the burner itself and make the system more efficient. So, if you've got a 20-year-old burner or a 25-year-old burner, like you really should shop around and see what's out there, because a new burner could pay for itself, both in fuel efficiency, but also in reduced downtime. The new actuators are more reliable. The new controllers are more reliable. They take a lot less troubleshooting time. If you go from an old single point control system to a parallel positioning micromodulating type system with first out enunciation, like as soon as there's a problem, it will tell you exactly where the problem is. Okay. And so then if you have a good spares program, you go grab your spare actuator or your spare transducer or whatever it is, plug that in and you're back running again, right? And that's a matter of a short outage rather than having to bring out a technician because, you've got this more complicated setup that takes a specialized set of tools. So definitely, if you're looking at an old burner, it's worth evaluating a new one. And in many cases, you're going to find lots of advantages for doing that.